Hi judges, our team is trying to solve the problem statement, which is entrepreneurs face confusion while applying for licenses or finding suitable government grants due to scattered and complex information. So our solution is to propose a web app that's made up of React and Fast API, and all of them will be hosted on Alibaba Cloud ECS. The entire solution brings in innovative products from Alibaba Cloud like Q1 Max and text embedding V3 from Alibaba Model Studio. After successful login, the user will be asked some general onboarding questions for onboarding user profiling, and the users will be taken to this page, which is a dashboard. And then dashboard dashboard consists of 4 features. The first feature is definitely the chatbot, and here you can see that it's a chatbot powered by the Q1 Max model, and then it will just do some retrieval augmented generation to answer the question that's related to grants. And then the second feature is to recommend some grants. And then after clicking it, you can see that there is a bunch of recommended grants personalized by Q1 Max based on their answers to the onboarding questions. And then the third feature is the grant eligibility. Okay, say that you're recommended with some grants. Say that I'm interested in MSME digital grant, but there could be some specific criteria proposed by this grant. For example, it will just check whether you are a Malaysian or not. Imagine if there are 100 grants in the knowledge base and each grant has one specific criteria, it means that there should be 100 onboarding questions being collected. So that's why we need to use the eligibility checker to check some specific criteria of the user. So say that here are all the specific criteria, and I will just key in, and I will check the eligibility, and then it will just check. It will just say that I'm eligible for the MSFP, say that I'm interested in another grant, say that I'm interested in another grant which is CIP Spark, and then I will just fill in all the information again, and then check, and then you see that some of the specific criteria is not fulfilled, so I'm not eligible for the CIP Spark grant. Okay, let's talk about our last feature, which is the ROI calculator, and here you can see that first we need to check the business sector. After selecting the business sector, we can just claim something. For example, for the flight tickets, we can try to claim this one. Then here is the 200, and then here is 1,000, and then we can find the Pacific grant. And you can see that from this grant, we can see that the ROI is 61%, which means that 61% of our expenses can be claimed by this grant. And then we can apply now. And then it will just tell me all the steps that's required. And then if there's any step that requires the application form, and then our agentic AI that's powered by Q1 Max, we just start filling all the form. For example, you just fill in the forms based on some information that was collected during the onboarding, and the information that was not collected will be left blank. And that's all from our team. Thank you.